Yo, what is going on? Quick new video. In this video, we are going to be rebuilding the Kings in 2K21. I should look at our lineup. Let's look at our lineup. We got De'Aaron Fox and such. We're gonna try and sell all of our high ranked players. We're seeing what we can get. Oh, now that might be a pick to go with. Yeah, we're gonna go with this. Next, what we're gonna be going with. Let's see. Let's see if we can get. Oh no, De'Aaron's on a cheap contract. Buddy Hield. Oh, that's another trade that we'll pick up. And we've got a pretty good lineup, so let's just go into it. So in the regular season, always have CPU, and we are off. Um, Probably games we'll lose over the season are probably because we either had a bad day or they were just really good. Don't mind the background noises. It's either Simpsons or my brother playing Roblox. But yeah, if you can, please, I'm not trying to be rude, but please just go sub to my YouTube. I have my goal is to get to like 25 before I get to school. So if we can get to 25 before we get to school, that'll be really good. We did end up going 65 and 17. And we are the 1 seed, the Sacramento Kings playoffs. Oh, jeez. Now we actually gotta take care here. We take first half, and we take second half. So we take first quarter, it takes second quarter, we take third quarter, and we take fourth quarter. Oh my god, I thought we return, and we will go on to sweep. Oh, okay. Will we either? And we are entered. We both 4-1. Actually, let's look at this. They basically got ours, but then the second round. Yes. Actually, let's see what they've done here. So we've got De'Aaron on Kyrie. Bit difference. They're much better team. Maybe we're just like, oh jeez. Oh come on, come on, come on, come on. And oh 2-2. Come on, we gotta take this second half by storm. Come on, take it, damn it. This is for the finals. Okay, we just gotta take it. And we do end up losing. So we are just gonna go to the draft lottery. Anything purple? No. So we're just gonna go. We're just gonna go to free agents. Hopefully we can sign some good free agents. Kawhi Leonard. Yes! It doesn't matter. We got. Hopefully we can get. Can we get Dier and DeMar DeRozan with him? Signed. What he signed? He said he signed. He said. Who signed for us then? What the damn is? Who signed? Who wasted all of our salary? Let's just get into the next season. We are going pretty good in the series. We're like 3 losses down. We're 3 losses down. Like I think we've done a few games. I think we're 3-8. 3-8. I think we've done 11 games. So we got like 19 to go. But that's fine. That's fine. We get like 3 done a day. So yeah. All I wish for you guys is just to go help little if TikTok is like Nibnob 514. Oh my god. Jackson underscore. Just Jackson underscore. It should come up with a picture of a motorbike as his profile. Just go up with that. That will help him, and he is a young. He's like a low followed person, and he is good. Oh, he is really good. So yeah, if you can just go over there and just follow him, follow him up, follow his videos, like his videos. We sweep first. We're winning this for sure. Oh my god. Okay, good. Is this Ja just carrying this team? Ja Morant is carrying the Grizzlies to a finals? Jesus. Okay. But Ja, I'm sorry, buddy. Oh my god, Ja Morant is carrying Grizzlies. Okay, I need to view this box. It's Brooks. Oh my god. We may have to take a. Oh my god. We're out. We lost. Ja Morant is a dog. I hate him. He like Ja. Why? I don't actually hate, but like, why do you have to do all this to me? Let's just go to free agents. Trae Young. I think it's gonna be real. I think I'm gonna take an L on this. Thanks for watching.